and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag X Addison Rae. And hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron, who helps me do unboxings. And here on my channel we do a lot of unboxings, but I also do makeup related material. And as per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, so I talk about agoraphobic topics and mental health issues. And yeah, if you're into any of those subjects, or say you're into all of those subjects, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified anytime that I upload a video. So, if you are interested in seeing what is in my Glam Bag X for the month of February 2022, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, so we have our Ipsy Glam Bag X, and when I found out who the curator was, Addison Rae, I was like, who the bleep is Addison Rae? Do you know who Addison Rae is?
I do not.
And then some of y'all commented to me that she is a TikToker, which I've done some TikTok videos, but I'm not really.
You done some TikToks on the TikTok?
And I have an account, but I'm not really into the TikTok culture.
These kids today with their ticking and their talking.
And I've heard that she's a singer, but the thing I know her most for is that she owns Item Beauty, which Ipsy is like, has a stake in, or something like that. They're are like the backers of her brand. And so I'm surprised this didn't happen sooner. So I did get in one of my Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses one of her lip glosses, and I loved it. I thought it was awesome. But when the choices came, there wasn't anything, well, when I looked, there was only one thing available from her brand. So, and I picked it. But,
that seems confusing.
Anyway, there's one thing I am excited for in here. One thing. And they better not have bait and switched me, because I've seen some YouTubers out there not get what they picked.
Do it. Don't you do it, Glam Bag.
I'm going to be awfully mad if they do.
This little lady wrong.
Okay, first thing, this is the thing.
So are there 10 things in here?
There's 8 full-size items in here, and you get to pick
since it's
3.
Glam Bag 10?
It's not Glam Bag 10, it's Glam Bag X.
Oh, I thought it was Glam Bag 10.
Okay, you get 8 items, you get to pick from 3 choices, and I didn't think that the things you get to choose from were that great. So, I'm not that happy with this box. Wow. But, I was excited.
You're already a little mad at it, huh?
I was excited for this thing, which was the bag that they...
The bag in Glam Bag.
Yeah, the bag. And it's like faux crocodile.
Yeah, a little black faux crocodile there.
And
crocodile
what I like
midnight.
is that it comes with a little strap here.
Nice.
And
more strappy.
that you can wear, and the straps are on one side. So it looks big enough, so I can wear it around my waist if I want to. So they get larger. Or I can wear it a crossbody, or just as a handbag like that. So,
or like around your head.
So we're taking out those.
Tasty.
Here, be sure to keep that.
Well, just don't give me the parts you want me to. You want to keep.
Just put it on the floor.
Too much pressure.
Oh, I forgot I picked these. Oh, I'm really excited about these too. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I learned how to say this from one YouTuber. I didn't realize I picked these. These are the Key sunglasses.
ah.
I didn't realize I picked these. It comes in this cool case. It comes with a cool cleaner. It comes with a cool silica bag.
Sometimes you just got to walk out on the key and throw truffles to the ducks. Not bread.
I don't have any cool
Not
sunglasses.
peasants.
I can keep these in my ultra cool bag.
Cool.
Sorry, this is taking a long time. I love aviator sunglasses.
All right. Prepare for liftoff. It's cute.
Highway to the danger zone. Alright, I like those. You want to try them on? I think aviators make everybody look cool. Okay, give them back. Yeah, I'm excited I picked those.
Yeah. Put your cool glasses in your cool bag and you'll set.
So far,
Put your cool glasses in your cool bag.
so far nothing to do with makeup or skincare. But I like that. Okay, I think those were both choices. And this was my third choice. It was from Item Beauty. This was like the only thing that had to do with her brand.
What is it?
It's an eyeshadow palette. It's on the daily. It's an eyeshadow palette. And packaged weird. And it's very neutral. That's what she looks like right there.
What's that?
Okay. So that's her palette. Lots of browns.
And taupes.
You'd think someone hip like
Some
her
beige.
would have something a little more interesting.
You don't understand. TikTok's all about salty. That's what I've heard. Anyway.
Is it?
Not so much, I think.
Okay. Alright, let me get you some prices here. I forget that they have this in here.
Extra, extra. Glam Bag X release.
Okay, the Ipsy Faux Croc Bag is $19. The Item Beauty On the Daily eyeshadow palette is $24. And the High Key Mini Black Smoke Glasses are $65. Okay. Now, moving on to the next thing is, this is something they picked for me, is the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask.
Ooh.
And that's what she'll look like. What was that?
That was the cat. Oh my. Poor baby.
She's okay, we swear.
She's got a little something in her throat there. You okay? All right then.
Okay. I think there are like 5 masks in here. I know this is stupidly expensive. I think there's only 4 masks in there.
Not 10?
Yeah, I like masks, but I know that this is stupid expensive. So let's look this up. Yeah, the Aceology multivitamin brightening biodegradable masks are $59.
Goodness.
When Addison doesn't have time for a professional facial treatment, she reaches for this sheet mask. It's made with all the good stuff, including vitamins B3, C, and E, to help smooth, brighten, and moisturize skin in minutes.
Go, Addison.
And from Stila, we have a Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to take a look at this. That's what she looks like. That was the packaging right there. Okay, this is the kind of eyeliner I like. Like the kind of gel type pencil liner, stuff like that. But this is retractable, I think. No, I'm not going to chance it. I like Steel products. That's what it says. Let's see what it says about that. The Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Stingray.
Oh, wow.
$22. No one has time for eyeliner that runs, fades, or smears during the day, which is
I don't.
why Addison swears by this long-wearing formula. It holds up against moisture for full 12 hours. And next we have this Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask.
Jelly. Not like jelly. It says on the side.
Lip Hooray.
Hooray. Melt like jelly.
That's what it looks like.
It's got a little avocado on the side. Oh no, it's a papaya. Papaya enzyme ferment, our good friend hyaluronic acid, and sea buckthorn berry. Nice. Superfruit protects and restores the lip barrier. Did you know you had a lip barrier? Well, here's the story.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't mean to start one either. It's just, what it says.
Okay.
How to apply to lips daily. Smile. It won't work if you don't smile.
Okay, it's $18. This deeply moisturizing lip treatment has our planet's health in mind. It's made of 50%
Not your health, the planet's health.
post-consumer recycled plastic and recyclable paper.
That's right.
And, okay, I was kind of hoping I'd get this. It's the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream.
Hydrating.
I like Tula stuff. It looks like this. Smells good.
See, it's so hydrating, it's just bursting out of there like a wave. Unleash your glow, it says.
Let's see. Tula Skincare, $52. Your product should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. It can be used day and night to help deeply hydrate skin and smooth the look of fine lines and rough texture.
Okay, not fine lines and wrinkles. Fine lines and rough texture.
And finally, the thing
least,
I keep seeing everyone talk about is this MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex.
Ah. If your eyes are too simple, this will make them more complex. Tell me more about this hyaluronic acid stuff.
Okay. Okay. That's what she looks like. Oh, get on my bag. Smells good. Doesn't come all the way up to the top, but
it promises to soothe and smooth. And smooth and smooth your weave.
This puppy costs $143. Late nights and early mornings can wreak havoc on your under eye area, which is why this brightening eye cream is a staple in Addison's busy schedule. It helps strengthen the skin and capillaries around your eyes to help prevent dark circles. Addison's tip: it's a can't beat base for under eye concealer. The hydrating ingredients prevent makeup from settling into creases and looking cakey. Well, it better for that much. But I'm sure she's like 20 years old and doesn't have crepey under eyes.
She's heard of it.
Okay, we're gonna pause a minute and add all this up and see how much this box cost. Okay, this box is $402, which I think is pretty awesome. I actually like this box, and I thought I wouldn't when I saw the spoilers.
It won you over.
It won me over. Thank you, Addison Rae.
She's not mad at it anymore. Now she's friends with it.
Thank you, Addison Rae, for curating this box for me.
Thank you, Addison Rae, for teaching us how to love again.
And yeah, I'll leave a link for Ipsy down below if you're interested in signing up.
Down below.
And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below. Did you get the Glam Bag X? Did we get any of the same items? Did you get that awesome fanny pack like I did? And or those awesome sunglasses? And yeah. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so you can have a wonderful rest of your week or weekend whenever you are watching this. And if you are having an especially hard time, just remember we are sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And I will see you in my next video tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.